Pizza Justice. This is from the Local Harvest Pizza. It's a food truck. So they don't have one location, they're traveling everywhere around. I tried it once before and I wanted to go back and get some real good footage because this is some of the best pizza I have had so far. I got to talk to the people running it. You could tell that they have a real passion for food and just the ingredients that they use. Look at this. This is incredible. I can't wait to try this one. This is what they called the red mushroom. I never tried that. Actually, this is the margarita. I didn't have the margarita yet either. Last time I got, I don't remember the name, but it was really, really good. There you go, Pizza Justice, no rules. I got some really good footage today of him making the pizza, you know, in the oven that they got. They got a really cool setup. So about the pizza, this dough, there's something special. The flavor of the dough is really, really good. The sauce has, you know, a little bit of a bite, like kind of a tang to it. Very good flavor. And he was also telling me about some of the cheeses that he uses. I took a picture of the one and he put it on this one. It was like an award-winning cheese. But the flavors combined, this pizza is really, really good. It's a 9. This pizza is a 9. I'm going because you can't really get this anywhere else, and they just, all the combinations they got, they're doing it right. It's incredible. Definitely a really good pizza. You should go try this one out. This one is really awesome too. I'm just going to stay with the rating for this one. Most of the time, I just rate the plain because if plain is good, anything with toppings is also going to be good, if not better. This is the one that has the cheese that he was telling me about. I don't remember off the top of my head, but I will put the picture of the label in the video. And they were over at Odd Logic Brewery in Bristol, Pennsylvania. And they go to all different places around here. They're from, I believe, the New Hope area. I think, does it say it on here? But it's really good. So if they're anywhere around by you, definitely give them a try. You will not be disappointed. Awesome. Pizza Justice, no rules. This is Local Harvest Pizza. It's a food truck. It was at Odd Logic Brewery. Normally, I would just get plain, but I wanted to try this, so I can still review it. This one has sausage, onions, ricotta, mozzarella. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So, there it is. It's very good. They have very good dough. The dough tastes good. And, I mean, there's more toppings on it. So, usually we just rate a plain, but the sauce is very good. The cheese is good. You wanna taste it? Here, you give me a rating. Is it hot? All right. So What is your rating? What do you say?
I think maybe like a 9.7.
9.7. So you really like it? Yeah, it's very good. I would give it. Yeah, it's good. I would go back and try some of the other ones. Yep, you're going back for it. There you go.